Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is Elita Villa 4 located in Jakur extension off Airport Road after Hebal, built on 20 by 40 northwest corner Ekhata site with 30 feet wide tar road. Property is very unique design. Ground floor parking and one bedroom attached bathroom is there. First floor, this is the main entrance. Ground floor also separate entrance is there. So this is north facing main door from the first floor. Spacious living, POP false ceiling with LED lighting has been done. On this level, puja room, hall, dining, kitchen, utility and balcony is there. Semi-furnished house with interiors like TV unit, wardrobe, puja room and modular kitchen. UPVC windows will be provided, 3 track with mosquito mesh. So this is puja. East facing puja room. It's a 20 by 40 site size, 800 square feet. Lots of windows are there, very good natural ventilation is there throughout the house. UPVC windows will be fixed, and this central staircase goes to the ground floor again, where there is one bedroom with attached bathroom. On this floor, hall, dining, kitchen, common bathroom, common toilet, and this is the central double high ceiling atrium, double high floor in the dining. There is a gallery on top overlooking the dining hall below. This is a balcony here in the northeast corner. Open to sky, good natural ventilation is there. And this is one common toilet here, powder room. All bathroom fittings will be provided, Serra and Hindware brand. Kitchen is in the southeast corner with utility, 2-side platform, granite platform with baskets, storage, next to that utility space. At the end of the video, floor plan is included. Ground first floor, second floor plan is shown. This is a Galaxy shining granite. Hydraulic doors, hydraulic hinges are provided. We have reached the second floor. There is a gallery overlooking the dining here. Stainless steel railing will be provided. On this floor, 2 large bedrooms with attached bathrooms. Both have wooden flooring, wardrobes and lights, LED lighting, good natural light. This is the master bedroom in the southwest corner with a balcony and attached bathroom. This is the balcony. Final painting, polishing, bathroom fittings will be provided. It's a brand new property. Attached bathroom, countertop, hand wash basin will be provided. Separate shower area, central toilet. This is the terrace floor, washing machine point and open terrace. Now we are back on the first floor. I'll show you the ground floor one room unit. It's a single family house. This ground level option is suitable if in case you want to have a home office or a guest house. So that's the reason why they have given another separate entrance directly to the parking. So proper large bedroom with attached bathroom. Corner site, northwest corner, 20 by 40, 800 square feet. Ekhata with Kaveri water, own borewell, underground sewage line, very good locality in Jakur extension. Manyata Tech Park is close by. Two side double laminates wardrobes woodwork has been done. Now let me show you the floor plan for your reference. This is ground floor plan. Parking area 11.9 by 5.5, 15.5, and bedroom is 18.5 by 13.3. Toilet 6.8 by 5.8. So this is first floor plan. Living, dining, kitchen, balcony in the northeast corner, common toilet, utility space. And this is the second floor plan, 13 by 11.5 with attached bathroom. That is master bedroom. And the second bedroom is 11 by 12.3. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.